I will make eco-friendly Valentine card for my teacher. For this, we need a red chart paper, 2 lady fingers, one shape of heart, a pencil, scissors, 2 kind of colors, yellow and green. First, I fold my red chart paper like this. I will draw a big heart that touches the fold line. Now I will start cutting this. After cutting my card, it will look like this. I will decorate my card with the lady finger and shape of heart. It is done. Put it aside for drying. Now I will write a message for my teacher. I will write inside too. Like before, I will make the same design. Now I will keep it aside for drying.